Think it's too early to talk about One UI 8? Think again. A Galaxy S25. Ultra running Android 16 with One UI 8 has already been spotted, and the launch might be closer than anyone expected. Here's everything you need to know. What's up, guys? Atif Official here, and today we're diving into the leaks and rumors surrounding One UI 8 on Android 16. Buckle up, because Samsung is skipping One UI 7.1 entirely, and the changes are huge. First off, Samsung is breaking tradition. No One UI 7.1 this year. Why? Because Google is rolling out Android 16 earlier than usual, possibly by May or June. Instead of wasting time on a minor update, Samsung is jumping straight to One UI 8. Expect the beta to hit the S25 Ultra around June or July, with a stable release likely debuting alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. Status bar upgrades. Now, let's talk about the highly requested changes to the Now bar. Remember that pill-shaped interactive media player button, spotted in the One UI 7 beta? It's finally arriving with One UI 8. Oh, and Samsung is also fixing that annoying charging animation glitch. Thank goodness. PC-like features. Android 16 is bringing PC-level external display management to smartphones. Imagine using your phone as a second screen for your PC, just like Samsung's tablets. Plus, Google is adding true display alignment tools, letting you position your phone screen relative to your monitor. This could be a game changer for productivity. Animations and dark mode. One UI 8 is doubling down on smoothness with decal shader animations. Think dynamic wave-like effects when unlocking your phone, applied system-wide for buttery transitions. And for dark mode lovers, Android 16 will force all apps into dark mode, even those stubborn holdouts from 2015. No more blinding white screens at 2 a.m. Brightness and HDR. Google's also testing an extra dim brightness option for late-night scrolling. And here's a big one. True HDR screenshot support. Your screenshots will finally preserve HDR quality, popping on compatible displays. Lock screen and security. Lock screen widgets are getting a major upgrade. Third-party support is coming. Plus, adaptive refresh rates are getting smarter, and battery health percentage checks might finally go mainstream. On the security side, Android 16 fights spam notifications and scams with features like notification cooldown and call time setting locks. Now, not all these features might make it to Samsung's final build, but history shows they often add even more. Check out my video on the S26 Ultra leaks right here. Smash that like button if you're excited for One UI 8, and I'll see you in the next one.